but it's more comfortable to cry in a Mercedes than on bicycle.
Thank you, Sarika. So very pleasant morning to one and all. My topic is the money and appreciation against from them. So famous quotation is that if you work just for money, you will never be make it. But if you love what you are doing and you are always be customer first and success will be yours. Appreciation has become a major buzzword in many workplaces. At the point that there have been a numerous commercials in the media boosting. Recently, the emphasis has been a employee recognition and has the individual published materials, seminars and commitments by the company to the help leaders and managers recognition. Their team members for work well done. If the facts expert in the human resource management estimate that 90% of all the US business and organizations have some more form of employee recognition programs. The solution has been a new focus on theatrics, personal appreciation, and while individual appreciation represent the progress, many leaders still hold two misconceptions consideration appreciation. First, the primary goal of communicating the appreciation is to make the employee feel good. These believe that the seems to be helped frequently by clinical individuals who displays all the appreciation as being touchy feels crap. Work is all about the getting the things done. The mantra says, I do not care how the people feel about it. Unfortunately, there is some basis of belief in today. The word is encouragement and the positive thinking. Some well-meaning individuals have pushed the emphasis of appreciation toward the goal of making everyone happy. There are the even misguided proponents for the practices of creating the chief happiness officers in the workplace. Second point is primary purpose of communicating the appreciation is to increase the productivity. The second mistaken belief about the communicating appreciation in the workplace has grown out. For the destroyed the view of recognition, when the recognition experts and researchers began to share the positive financial benefits that occur when the people feel valued business leaders excited about the result started focusing primarily on the facial aspect. The true purpose of communicating appreciation, what then is the real purpose of communicating appreciation for those with whom you work. Ultimately, this is a personal issue for each individual. As important fact to be noted that the appreciation strength doesn't always have to be for the work employee do. We can appreciate their skill, talent and ability and how they help make the company more effective and successful. Concluding that having an accurate understanding of the concept of appreciation and its role in successful organization is important for the leaders. Some of them have mistakenly believe that the appreciation is about making people feel good, but pursuing this the primary goal while fail since no one is make anyone else feel for something. Thank you.
So Harish, according to me, money is reasonably close to oxygen on God to habit scale. So my question is, would you like to work in such an organization where you pay less, but you only you appreciate it but you pay less? Would you like to work in such an organization?
I will be paid less because this is a question.
But you appreciate it, but you
I
pay
am
less.
stating this point because I I want to work at company. I believe in work. I love work by making company successful.
But work will not provide you money, so there's no use working.
Can I ask a question from Hari?
By the famous late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam said, love work. So I believe in that.
Where is the mic?
Ma'am, I don't need money. According to you, work is more is better than the money. According to you, if you are giving the opportunity to handle the director post of any of the company, you are not giving any salaries, even a single rupee, then what would you prefer? You would be doing that job or you will be leaving that job?
Nice question, Priyanshu.
Thank you.
I am a director of this institute only, Jaipur Institute.
Oh my God! He's just taking the example of the director.
Example, it is, and to give the incentives of all about the things I have. But I have to work on this. I have to work only. It does not mean that the money doesn't matter to me. That is.
So you agree money is important, right?
I am saying money is something very important, but according to me, myself.
So which means we agree.
Sorry, there is a suggestion. Ma'am, can I?
Yeah, ma'am.
There is a suggestion from my part to you. If you're saying work is important, but the one statement you should be making is work is definitely important and you need appreciation. And after appreciation, the motivation that you will be getting, that will help you to earn more money.
Point.
That is what it is.
Thank you.